Now, your exclusive Storm Team forecast from KTVO. Expect more.
Well, a beautiful weekend is shaping up with a lot of sunshine, and then as we're heading into latter part of the weekend into early next week, we do have some rain that's going to be moving in, as well as a little bit cooler temperatures. But we did see temperatures actually in the mid to upper 50s, even low 60s across southeast Iowa for today. Clear skies right now. That's going to continue as we're heading into the rest of the evening and overnight hours. Right now, 56 degrees at the Kirksville Regional Airport. Southwest winds around 11 miles per hour. A little bit warmer in Ottumwa, 61 degrees. Sunny skies. Winds are out of the southwest at around 11 miles per hour. Well, as we're heading into the weekend and even into early next week, we will see temperatures above normal. Now, average is about 52 degrees. Will be well above normal both for Saturday and Sunday. A little bit cooler as we're heading back to work and school on Monday as well as Tuesday, but still a little bit above normal into the 50s. So what can we expect for this evening? Well, temperatures will only drop into the upper 30s, actually close to 40 degrees. Mid 40s at midnight, 40 degrees at 5 a.m. and around 7 a.m. looking at 39 degrees with mostly clear skies. So a beautiful weekend shaping up. We will see that the rain move in overnight hours as we're heading into Sunday night and very early on Monday. But if you do have plans this weekend, it is going to be excellent. We're going to see temperatures warming up and a lot of sunshine. For tonight, 39 degrees as your overnight low with mostly clear skies. Southwest winds remaining light around 5 to 10 miles per hour. And then for your Saturday, warmer yet in some spots around 62 degrees with a lot of sunshine and northeast winds. A little breezy at times around 5 to 15 miles per hour. And the extended 5-day forecast as we're looking ahead, 62 degrees staying with us on Sunday. But watch what happens. We'll see a 30% chance of showers moving in late Sunday night, again overnight hours. Cooler on Monday, about 56 degrees with partly sunny skies with a 40% chance of rain moving in late Monday night. But something happens on Tuesday, 59 degrees, but a 50% chance of showers and some isolated thunderstorms. We could hear some rumbles of thunder on Tuesday. Haven't heard that in quite some time. 43 as your overnight low Tuesday night, so very mild, and then continuing into the upper 50s on Wednesday with another 50% chance of rain. Of course, anytime, check us out 24/7 at heartlandconnection.com. So we have a lot of things going on across the area. We've got some craft shows in Kirksville, just a lot of stuff over the weekend. So it's actually going to be a pretty decent weekend, very pleasant for that.
Temperature is going to be good for that.
Very nice.
Thanks, Teresa. Next